So we decided to go down to Home Depot, Lowe's, and some other venues to grab some traditional decking materials to test against the composite that we just got shipped. Starting from the left, we have 3 rainforest hardwoods including IP, tigerwood, and grappa. Then we have 2 composites, Trex and FC, 3 softwoods, redwood, pine, and cedar, and then 2 more composites, TimberTech and Weather Ready. And we're going to subject these to all the tests we have and see how they turn out. Okay, so for our second flame test and our first test of the day, we have the 3 softwood out first, and we're going to pour some gasoline all over these and set them on fire and see what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the redwood. Oh wow, that's just that's, well, again, forest fires. Oh, there's the pine. They just kinda and there's cedar. Yeah, they just pretty much just go up in flames. Yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and put these out now. There we go. Okay, so let's start with some of the rainforest hardwoods. First we have some tigerwood. Yep, that's starting to, wow, that's just starting to burn right already. Next we have the IP, or the grappa. Finally we have the IP. Yeah, definitely we don't want to rely on the rainforest because your forest will burn. Let's go ahead and put that out. Okay, so let's start on the composites. First we have TimberTech. Oh wow, that plastic crap is just, wow, just burns. We have some Trex. It's gonna catch around the sides there. We have some FC. The FC didn't catch. Try another match real quick. Okay, so let's continue to the next one. It looks like the FC, for some reason, is kind of fire resistant. And so is the composite we just got shipped. Try to put another one on the composite. The other one. And the one that we just got shipped as well. Yeah, that one just doesn't catch fire at all. The FC finally did after enough matches to burn a house down. Okay, so let's go ahead and put all these out. Okay, so eventually all the other composites gave out after a few matches, so let's douse the composite we got shipped with a lot of gasoline and see what happens. If it even catches, just cover that whole thing right up. When you soak the stone around it, that means that you got a lot of gas going. Okay, let's get a match on that one. So now that we're done, let's see how much wood damage has actually been done to each of these. This one right here, well, got a little bit of wood damage over here and all the way on this side. On the TimberTech, you have fire damage all over it. In the back there, the Trex has fire damage all over it. On the other hand, this composite, even though it got a little blackened, we doused that with about a cup of gasoline. It still didn't burn all the way through, and it definitely didn't catch fire. It was just the gasoline underneath of it that was burning, so. For our third flame test, we're going to subject all the wood we have to a little tiny bit of a blowtorch. Starting from the bottom left, we have pine, cedar, and redwood, then tigerwood and grappa. At the top we have our 3 composites, TimberTech, Trex, and FC. And finally we have the bamboo composite all the way up at the top. So let's start with the pine over here. Just in case anything goes wrong, we got a little fire extinguisher, just in case. Okay, let's get started. Oh, there we finally go. Okay, let's bring out the fire extinguisher and get rid of all this shit. So, the new composite lasted about 3 times longer than any of the other ones and never really caught on fire. To go back to the video selection screen, please click on the top half of the screen.